Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I have four iPhone 5s with me, and we're gonna do a speed test with these 5s's with different versions of iOS. So one of them is running 7.0.5. Where is it? 7.0.5. One of them is on 8.1.1. This guy is on 10.3.3, and this 5S is on the newly released iOS 12.5. That introduced the exposure notification right here. So I actually done this video with iOS 12.4.9, but then when in the middle of editing, there's iOS 12.5. So here I am redoing this video again. All right. So without further ado, let's do the speed test. Okay, so with the device on the way to powering off, we're gonna start by a speed test of these four devices. Which one is the fastest? iOS 7, 8, 10, or 12? We don't know yet, alright? So now we're gonna divide this video into four pieces. So bloop, 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 because I don't have the hand-eye coordination to handle four phones at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna start these phones up in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now the next test is we gotta do a Geekbench test. Now we gotta use Geekbench 3 because that is the lowest compatible for iOS 7. Alright, we're not gonna use Geekbench 4 or 5. Our pinpoint is Geekbench 3. So let's see if there are any score differences or not. Okay, so let's just start them up. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so that is the video of the speed test of the iPhone 5s on iOS 7.0.5, 8.1.1, 10.3.3 and 12.5. Honestly, one thing though, I'm actually surprised that this thing got 12.5, or I consider this iOS 14.3 is out. Apple is still supporting the 5s until on the day I'm making this video, right, December 17, which is already midnight by the way. Apple is still supporting this device, alright, bringing the exposure notification updates. So amazing, huh? Very amazing. From 2013 is still getting updates, even through. You can see the difference from the first original OS on it, 7.0.5 versus 12.5. You can see it is night and day difference. So planned obsolescence looks like it still exists on iOS 12.5. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.